How to add Decreed on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Decreed on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Decreed. In order to add Decreed on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on DCR. Now tap on receipt button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Decreed coin from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add DCR or Decreed coin on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.